Beat me, break me, you can never take me, kill me, thrill me, you can never kill me. Chew me, sue me, you can never do me. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. All I wanna say is that they don't really care about us. Hello everybody, my name is Casey! We're having a good day today. I'm cooking up a bunch of onions. Onion. Onion. And I've got me some habanero wraps for fall. I lost my funnel. I couldn't find it. So I used a bottle and I spilled gasoline all over my hand and I lit it anyway because Ryan Higa told me in 2012 that good girls like bad guys. So, beat me, break me, you can never take me, kill me, drill me, you can never kill me. Alright, I'm spreading this peanut butter like the infection is spreading across Japan as we speak. I had my morning meeting with the crows and they said, fuck you! And I got up and you know what I did? I did Tai Chi. And they didn't like it at all. They hated the Tai Chi, I'll tell you that much, fam. Natasha's doing well, I'm glad you asked. We're gonna check to see if her babies are alive or if, like me, she fails to get laid. I'm burning a bunch of things. I need to take this off. I just charred up a bunch of onions for no reason. But it might have been moldy, I don't know. I had to throw out a bunch of mold. It's been a week. I was surviving off of 2 slices of shredded cheese a day. I mean, sliced cheese. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, because I did some prep. We're gonna go over here. And we're gonna grab my bacon bits. You like bacon? You like bacon? Answer me! Oh god, I forgot the most important part. I have to dump. I forgot to dump my chicken like my whore ex-wife. All I want to say is that they don't really care about us. Spread that shit. Come on, fast. Oh my god, it's out of control. I have gasoline actively all over my body currently. So I only did this in case I burn alive. Because it would make great content. Oh god, I have to spit some facts. You ever heard that song, The Sound of Silence? There's something very special about going out alone where there's no one around. Just find your place and sit in the silence. It really teaches you how to let go. And when you learn to let go, you can go back and forth between letting go. Breathing is very important. Journaling. I talk to AI. And that's all I'm going to say today because fuck you and fuck this and fuck that. What? Okay. Now I have an assortment of spices on my chicken with my garlic and my onion. I'm going to put, you guessed it, fam, cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, spicy. Vegetable oil in the spice for today? I think so. I haggled a woman on Marketplace and I got a free pair of headphones I'm going to get at some point. Because she believes in me. And when someone believes in you, how could you quit? Shoot, shoot, de doo, shoot, de doo, de doo, de doo, shoot, de doo, shoot, de doo. What am I doing? Onion. More onion because it gets the parasites that are controlling our body. Yes. I love eating my own parasites. I beat them at their own game. But I cannot find my chili powder. No, it told me not to do the chili powder. Okay, bacon. We're taking my bacon bits. I was afraid to open my food because I didn't want it to get moldy. A big chunk of crispy bacon for today. I love me some bacon. You baking me crazy? Everything's on fire. Oh God, I got my fucking chicken everywhere. The mouse is going to have a feast tonight. But yes, I did Tai Chi. My ancestors told me to shut up. About what I was trying to tell you. Okay, that looks good. Then we're going to break out my sliced pepper jack cheese. And all I want to say is that they don't want to care about. I'm sorry they did this to you. I'm sorry they did that to him. Why are you burning so bright? I told you, look, it's all moldy. Be gone. I've been eating moldy cheese. Alone.
Bring me more cheese from my cheese box.
Provolone, that doesn't do nothing for me. We're going sliced Swiss. What the hell? It's off. The burner's not going.